so far Trump has brought a lot of good news with everything he does, and I think that's one of the problems that we have, Martin, is we have too much intervention, too much central banking with the currency, and too much playing around. But back to Trump, he's brought a lot of great stuff, and you know he listens to his staff. How do we know? 2 days ago, they weren't going to do anything with the taxes till the end of the year. Now they're going to do it in 2 to 3 weeks. So he's listening to his people, but there's a lot of issues here that don't necessarily make sense. So we can cheer what he's doing, but I think we're going to find some problems down the road here.
You know, Todd, it's interesting looking at your research. You are actually concerned right now. You're worried about complacency in the markets, which you say is reminding you back to the 90s, and you're actually negative on the overall outlook, which seems to almost be the contrarian view at this point.
Yeah, you know, Oriel, I think that the whole market is, listen, it's great to have the markets go up. It's wonderful, you know, my retirement account and all that, but as a trader, and when I look at this, I see a market with the lowest volatility in 10 years. I see the tightest trading range in the history of the market, where we haven't been able to move 2%. And here you have everybody piling in. Everybody wants to buy. You see analysts, you see everybody saying, buy, buy, buy. It's great. We're wonderful. We're going up. What are we going to do with all the debt that we have from before? What are we going to do with the jobs that we still don't have? Even if Trump gets the things he wants to do, even if Abiy brings all these jobs, when are these people going to start? They're talking 4% growth. There is no way they get 4% growth in at least the next year. We still have a lot of problems that have to be dealt with. And the only reason we got a 3.4 GDP one quarter was because we had a major shipment of soybeans to China. So there's too many issues around that would make me feel negative that we're getting too complacent. This is like, again, like the 90s or 05, 6, and 7. We just buy it. It doesn't matter. We're going up. The economy doesn't matter. This time is different.